Hi, welcome to the Virtual Electrician, TVE, your one-stop shop for do-it-yourself electrical help. Are you wanting to add a can light to an existing circuit or maybe add one on a new circuit? If you do, but the room you want to add the light to is already finished, you need to install a remodel can light. These allow you to install a can light in a room without attaching them to the trusses. First, you want to figure out where in the room you want to put it. If you don't have attic access to see where the existing trusses are, you need to poke a small hole in the ceiling using a screwdriver or a piece of metal. Then you bend a piece of wire the same radius as the can light. Then you stick it up in the hole and turn it around to make sure there are no trusses in your way. If you hit a truss, you may have to adjust your layout just a little bit, but once the coast is clear, you can begin cutting your hole. Or you can use a hole saw the same size as the can light and drill it out. A little trick here is to put the drill in reverse, because if those teeth grab onto something, it might walk all over the place. Once you have your hole cut, you'll be able to fish your wire over here from another fixture if there is attic access, or if it's in the same truss cavity, and then you can wire the can light from below. Insert the wire into the J-box attached to the can and wire it up. Ground to ground, neutral to neutral, and then hot to hot. Once wired up, you slide the can up in the hole. The can should have 3 or 4 of these black tabs that you push into place with your screwdriver to grab on the drywall. Once in place, you're ready to go. If you need more help, visit the Virtual Electrician to schedule a virtual electrician to walk you through it.